Alright, now it's Mazda R old school rotaries. Welcome back to the channel, fellas. I've been staying away a little bit on showing you guys some footage because as you guys can see, we got a little DIY home project going. I got my buddy from Ironwood Floors helping me out with the flooring. It's getting a lot closer, but I'm just trying to knock this out, do a little fixer-upper before Christmas. So I've been kind of like dedicating my time a little bit on this, but I want to share with you guys this baby right here. Just got this package in. I found some motor filler in the Midwest, and yeah, this is gonna be one of those unboxing videos. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty neat, pretty interesting. And the only reason why I reached out to him is because he had quite a few parts that he was trying to get rid of, some old school rotary parts, and I felt like this is the only way I could like actually save money or keep some money in my pocket by just purchasing like this whole bundle package deal that he had going. So all right, yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into it. All right, definitely wasn't expecting all this, so I guess it's a good thing. I mean, it's very well protected, but yeah, check it out. So quite a few things over here, and again, I'm not gonna keep a lot of this stuff. I'll probably just get rid of it, sell it. Definitely gonna keep some of that R100 stuff, but check it out. We got a RX2 grill. Definitely gonna sell it. If you guys are interested, yeah, you guys can reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. Let me go ahead and open this sucker up. All right, check it out. RX2 front grille. Still got the emblem. No cracks. Sweet. Not a single crack. Usually these are cracked, and I've seen some online with some cracks on them, and they do have some pretty dollar for them. But this one's clean. So all right, let's move on. All right, there we go. R100 dash. It's a little rough. Definitely needs some little love, but for the most part, it's all there. This one's clean. This is a lot better shape than mine was when I first started working on mine. Mine was really bad. This ain't too bad. Yeah, but yeah, definitely. This one's gonna definitely work. It's got this vent right here. I guess he must have taken everything else off. So my thing is, I went ahead and bought this dash just because of the light that goes on here. So I'm guessing he probably has them in some of these boxes in there. All right, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and check out this, I think it's the glove box. All right, check it out, fellas. And here's the R100 glove box, and it's got that felt on there. It's got the light too, but you did tell me that the little plastic thing is missing, the little plastic trim that goes on there. But hey, I'll take this. This is a start. So that's one of the things that's kind of keeping me from completing my R100 dash. So it's better than nothing, I guess. That'll work. What do we have here? Oh, sweet. All right, R100 clock. Okay, nice. Man, the beater rings are nice and clean too. We gotta get this one tested. Well, you guys know how I go about testing these. If you guys haven't seen this video, go check it out. I actually restored one of these, and we tested it, and everything worked out well. So it's always good to have an extra one in hand. So pretty neat. This ashtray. Yep, we're smoking. And the guy did tell me that his R100, he did use it for racing. So I'm guessing this is him back in the day. So yeah, the guy, his name's Steve. He's a lot older than I am. So yeah, I mean, yeah, that was probably him racing way back in the day. I gotta ask him, but that looks pretty neat. 1980. Man, that's old. That's old school. All right. R100 dash cluster. Wow. Sweet. Everything's intact. Yeah, this buy was definitely worth it. I mean, these things, everything seems to be in order. So yeah, it's definitely a keeper. All the pegs are in place. Nothing's broken. All right, let's move on. Okay, this one, oh, nice. Still has the antenna switch on there. Well, this is what I need, the little cover that goes on here, on that hole. The lighter still on there. Headlamp switch. All right, looks pretty good. Oh, got the map light on there, still on there. Wow, this thing just won't get any better than this. All the pegs are on there. Nothing seems to be missing or broken. Cool. All right, let's move on. What do we have here? There was so many stuff or so many parts that I can't even remember what it was, but I know this is part of the dash. Oil cooler line. Well, I'm not gonna open this one up, but this is the lower fan shroud. Sits on the bottom. You got the radiator up here, and the fan spins on here. So that's what this is, the lower fan shroud. So cool. Oh, the other side. Pegs are in place. Cool. For R100 vent. All right, now we're down to a few boxes. Wonder what this belongs to. You guys know what this belongs to? Let me know in the comment box below. Interested to know. Never seen one of these. Shifter. Original. OEM, not aftermarket. Wow. Preserved. Nice. That's the ring that goes on there. Sweet. See, this kind of stuff gets me excited. I'm definitely gonna put this on my ride. It's not even aftermarket, it's original. Although they do make them aftermarket, you could get them from Australia, and that's pretty awesome that they actually make these. But There's nothing like having the actual original parts. RX2 clock. I'm not gonna be needing this. Probably get rid of it. Some of you guys are interested, hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. RX2 badge, original OEM, still got some of the epoxy around it. Still got the pegs in the back, not broken or anything. I'm not gonna need this, so if anybody's interested, let me know. Yeah, well, pegs are broken, but hey, they could get this fixed up in Oregon. But like, check it out. You can never have too many of these. Still got the epoxy on there. Cool. That would look nice on my wall. RX2 badges. I guess they're all in here. Won't be needing this. Anybody interested, let me know. Wow. RX2 vents original. Well, if anybody interested, let me know. They're not cracked. Original OEM, not aftermarket. So let me know. Oh, RX2 chromes, grill chromes. Clean, original OEM. Got both sides. Won't be needing these, but if you guys are interested, let me know. Glove box store. Now, this is one of the main reasons why I got that package deal. Because I remember mine had like some blobs right here. I don't know what was going on, but this one's clean. So this one's definitely going on my car. It's just a little dirty, but there's no scratches or anything on there. So, yep, it should come up. Oh, these are some, I'm not even gonna open that. These are some wheel chucks, the blue ones that fold in half. Looks rusted up, gotta work on them, but that's what they are. Alright, last but not least. I'm not sure if this is for I don't know, I'm a little embarrassed. I can't remember this is for an RX2. I know it's not for an R100. Maybe RX2 or RX3. Let me know in the comment box below if you guys know what this is, but it's pretty darn clean. Maybe RX3. Huh. Whoa. OEM Mazda resistor block, ignition points. Gonna need this for the R100. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah, I love these old Mazda boxes here. Look at that. Ignition points, original Mazda ignition points. Crazy. Oh, won't be needing this. I believe this is for an RX2. Yep. RX2 fuse box, cover, whatever. RX2 vents. Let me know if you guys need these. Oh yeah, check it out. RX2 emblems. Got the pegs all in place, all intact. This is for an RX-7. Man, this was pretty darn clean. And check it out. This is for an R100 right here with a trunk lid. Sweet. And I don't know, I think these might be RX2s. I know there's an RX2 for sure. I won't be needing this, but oh no, wait, these are the R100 chromes. Yeah, they go right on the corner, so I won't be needing these either. So if you guys, any of you guys interested, let me know. Hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. All right, fellas, everything checked out. Definitely was worth buying the whole bundle. As you guys seen, I'm not gonna need everything, especially like the RX2 stuff. I'm gonna hold on to some of the R100 stuff, but like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on in the background. Just want to share with you guys that I haven't stopped working on the R100. It's just like little parts here and there that I have to source out just to get the project going. But yeah, if you guys need anything you seen in the video, hit me up on Instagram or Facebook. And that'll pretty much do it for this video. In the next couple of days, I'm gonna go pick up my R100 seats. They told me it's gonna be ready, so next video is gonna be based on that, or if something else comes up, I'll let you guys know. But definitely hit me up on Instagram or Facebook if you guys seen anything that you might be interested in it. And I'm definitely not trying to get rich off these parts. Just trying to, you know, just get rid of them. I'm not gonna need them, so just throw an offer out there or whatever. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, just let me know in the comment below. Any comments, anything in your guys' mind, just let me know. All right, fellas, thanks for sticking around, and appreciate you guys watching and just supporting the channel. Thanks, guys. All right.